come see the cat. Look at that fat thing. Look, Presley. Yummy. Him, his friend. That's a good butt. Thank you. Oh, it's fine. Go together. It's okay. It's okay. Hold on. Hi, Bubba. Come on. Oh, big millions. Thank you. Presley. Presley, look. Don't hiss at him. It's okay. I know him's scary. Do you want to bring him over here?
We'll just do the rabies. He's probably already freaked out. So we'll just do the rabies and I'll take him into the bed.
The head scared him.
Putting in my first
He doesn't want to eat.
He's just like curious.
He's
okay.
yeah.
Okay, wait.
You see with him, him's little. Yeah, trainable for sure. He doesn't want to eat him.
Okay. What are you about to do?
He said, that's my bed.